routine public test of the Cannon Beach Fire District Community Warning System. Test, test, test. This is a test. Warning system. The sound of a cow moving means this system is only being tested. If you ever hear this system broadcast its powerful siren sounds, it will mean an important announcement for your own safety will follow. Please remember, the moving cow only means that the system is being tested. This is a test.
Got your wish. You called them?
Yeah, we did.
You got through? They probably set it off just for you.
Yeah.